So today I'm going to be opening the front panel of my dryer. If you've seen my other videos, you'd know that I've got a Whirlpool Cabrio dryer that wasn't working properly. The clothes weren't, it was taking forever to dry. And then finally there was a burning smell, like all of my clothes smelled like they'd been in a smokehouse. I tried cleaning out some of the lint and ran the dryer again, and it would turn, but there's no heat. So anyway, I've cleaned out vents and this and that, but opening this up, I've been putting this off because it frankly terrifies me. This is like opening Pandora's box. I mean, I know it's not going to unleash some great evil into the world, but I'm just scared of what I'm going to find, because if there's a burning smell, obviously something was burning. Like, was there a fire in there? Like, I'm afraid to even look. But I'm going to. Now, obviously, if you're going to attempt opening an appliance, please make sure it's turned off, first of all, and give it time to cool down. Like, I haven't used this in a long time, so this is sufficiently cooled down. Unplug it, and this is it's a big ass plug. Like, it's really big. It's not a normal plug, and it was actually hard to pull out of the wall. You have to really yank on it. So yeah, like 240 volts. You don't want to mess with that. So everything's unplugged. Everything's cooled down. Everything's whatever. But yeah, I'm terrified to do this. Like, it's intimidating because I don't really know what I'm doing, and I'm not handy. But when I phoned repair places, nobody would tell me how much approximately it was going to be to fix. And like, I wanted a ballpark figure, but all they would say is it's $80 for them to show up, and then that gets deducted off the cost of the repair. But when you don't know how much the repair is going to be, how can you know what to do? Because if I pay $80 and somebody comes here and then they tell me it's going to be $500 to fix, I might as well get a new dryer. You know what I mean? And then they said, well, it's deducted off the cost of the repair, but if I don't get it repaired, I've thrown away $80. Like, if they could have just told me, you know, well, like, the thermal fuse be about 180, but like, you know, like, anyways. So I decided I'm just going to try to handle this myself, but it is frankly terrifying for me. Like, this is not fun. But I did watch a video online about how to open this part. So I'm going to try it and we're going to see what we find. But as I said, I'm very scared. So, okay, to open the panel, there are two little, let's get a flashlight here. So there are two things holding it on. Now I've undone one of, oh my gosh, you can see the sand already. So I've undone one of them already, and I'm just going to do the other one. So it's like a clip, and you stick a flathead screwdriver in and push it down, and then, okay, so bear with me here. I don't know if that's showing, but hopefully. So yeah, find the clip, and then you stick that in, and you try to push it down. And of course, then when you try to do it on camera, it doesn't work. All right, so here we go. Oh my God, oh my God. Yeah, I can see now why I was scared, because it's frankly terrifying. Okay, so, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay guys, this is awful. Like, this is a horror movie. This is a horror movie right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, guys, like, don't be like me, okay? Clean out your dryer. Open this up and clean out your dryer periodically, because you can't let it get like this. Like, this is horrifying. This is a horror movie right now. This is ungodly. This is like apocalyptic in here. Oh my God. Oh my God. I had no idea. Like, I had no idea. Oh my word. So needless to say, I've got my work cut out for me here, cleaning this out. I'm horrified right now. Holy cow. And you know what? Like, I read, when I was at Home Depot getting one of the cleaning kits, it gave the statistic that there are 15,000 dryer fires a year. It's one of the most common causes of house fires. because lint's so flammable, and when it builds up, sorry, I'm like freaking out right now. Like, thank God it was just a burning smell and it didn't actually catch fire. And thank God I was home. Okay, so here's a few things. Number one, clean out your lint as much as you can. Number two, never leave your dryer going and leave the house. Always be home so you can be aware of what's going on. Holy cow. Like, this is horrifying. I'm ashamed, like, but I didn't know. I mean, these are things like, you know what? They need to have courses in school for like how to do your taxes and how to balance a budget and how to take care of things in a house, because like, I'm a homeowner. This is my second home, but I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I'm by myself, and you try to figure things out, but you don't think of stuff like this, and then it's so dangerous. Oh my gosh. So anyway, okay, so needless to say, I'm gonna clean this out. Oh my gosh. Like, this is so much worse. I don't know what I imagined, but I did not imagine this. Like, this is bad. This is bad. Okay, so anyway, I'm in shock right now. Like, I'm totally freaking out. Okay, so this is also on little clips here. I'm just gonna take this off. I'm gonna clean the heck out of this. Like, what do I even use to clean? Okay, I've got a garbage bag here. I'm afraid to even touch it with my hand. You know what? I should have had gloves. Why didn't I get rubber gloves? Because I'm not smart. That's why. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, wow, guys. Okay. I literally can't even right now. Look at this. Look at this. It's like a sheet of black charred lint. Like, I'm telling you. Clean out the dryer. This is so dangerous. And thank God it just shut itself off. Like, and I guess that's how they make appliances now, because I guess they know there were enough old dryers that caught fire, and they realized, you know what? Have a fail safe. If it overheats, you're not going to get any more heat, because that's what's happened. And clearly, like, look at, oh my gosh. And you know what? Sand. Holy crap. Look at all this sand. It's like half the beach is in here. Okay. Another thing about me, I love the beach. Like, we went to the beach a lot in the summer because that's where, you know, I relax and find my zen, which I really need because I'm a stressed out mess. But when we go to the beach, like, we have towels and blankets and everything. And even though I shake everything out before we leave, you can't get every bit of sand. And then Michelle, like, she loves to roll around in the sand, and it sticks to her with her sunblock. And so she's covered and her swimsuit's covered, and then you shake it out, but there's still sand on it, and it goes in the washer. And sometimes even when I'm putting stuff in the dryer, I notice there was sand on it, but did I do anything about it? So that's another lesson. Like, shake out as much as you can, sand or anything that's on your clothes, because that can still go through the washer and dryer. Like, there's sand in here a lot. That can't be good either. Oh my God, like, oh my word. I'm horrified. Like, I'm horrified. This is like a horror movie to me right now. Like, this is the scariest thing that I've seen in a long time, if ever. But I'm gonna clean all this crap out, and oh my gosh. Yeah, this is such a hazard, and really, like, it was avoidable. Like, I should have been more careful. So in the future, when I'm going to the beach, I will tell you, I am shaking stuff out like there is no tomorrow. That I'm not bringing 1 grain of sand home with me. And swimsuits and stuff, if there's sand, I'm going to rinse them out in the sand. I'm not even going to put them in the washer with stuff, because stuff can go through. Oh my gosh. Like, this is, I can't even tell you how distressing this is to me right now. Like, you probably hear my voice is shaking, like I'm shaking. So yeah, but you know what? This could have been a tragedy, and it's just a huge inconvenience, because it sucks not to have a dryer, and it's unpleasant, but it could have been so much worse. Like, you got to be careful. But this stuff, you know what? Why don't they teach you in school? Like, instead of teaching you things that you're never going to use in real life. How about they just tell you, you know what, if you're a homeowner, these are things, home maintenance you've got to do. These are things you can do yourself. Like, you know what, I'm not handy, but I've got a flat head screwdriver. I can open up the front panel. I can clean this out. Like, sorry, I'm rambling. Anyways, I'm going to clean this out. I'm going to do another video of checking the thermal fuse and stuff and trying to actually fix the dryer. Because I don't know, like maybe when I clean out all this lint, maybe it'll magically work, but it might not. So I don't know. I'm learning as I go, and this is why I'm doing this playlist of Life is an Experiment, because you know, sometimes you don't know what you're doing, but you do your best and you learn as you go. And oh my God, like I'm horrified. Like, I'm horrified. I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen anything like this. Oh my God, my God. Oh, it could have been so much worse. Like, I'm grateful that that it wasn't, but I'm ashamed that it got this bad. But I just didn't know. Like, I didn't. You don't think about these things, you know. You do your laundry, you throw the clothes in, they get dry. You don't think about it. You just expect things to work. But it's like that expression, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Like, yeah, this could have been prevented. Like, I could have been more diligent. I could have been more careful. I could have, good God, like, oh my God, how do I... I'm horrified. Like, I'm horrified. The sand in here and the charred lint is well, I'm going to vacuum it out, but oh my God, like, I can't even. I literally can't even. No wonder there was a burning smell, because it's burning. Like, it's on fire. So I'm going to take out as much of the huge charred pieces as I can, but you know, vacuum the sand and stuff. Oh my God, like, this, honestly, this is the scariest thing I've ever seen. Like, this is so freaking me out. Like, look at their blankets. Like, it looks like there's almost like a dead body back there. It's so much. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So how much are we into the video now? We're 13 minutes in. I don't know if I should just continue until I've cleaned this out, or if you should just trust that, yeah, I'm gonna clean the heck out of this till it's really clean. And then I'll do another video after it's all clean, and once I'm going to try to open up this panel and look at the fuses and stuff. But clean your dryer. Like, this is a huge wake-up call. I'll see you next time. This is my continuing nightmare, and this will haunt my dreams. Like, this is that's something else. Okay, bye for now.